Hello guys, welcome back to the forge. Today we're going to be forging a pair of tongs. You will also notice I have two new anvils. If you want to know more about them, follow me on Instagram. There's a few posts about them on there. Start by isolating the mass from the jaws. So when you make tongs, guys, there are three parts to the jaw, three processes you do to make them. Basically, you do what we just did. Isolate material for the jaws, left turn 90 degrees, go to a 45 on the far side of the anvil, and start forging in the boss. Once that's done, another 90-degree turn, left, far side, behind the boss, start forging out the reins. We'll go and do that now on our bar. Now the next step is really not physically challenging at all. It's drawing out the reins by hand. And the funny thing is I've got to do it twice as well, to the other part of the tong. So after about 20 years of standing at the anvil drawing out the reins, finally here, giving tong rein its final touches, and then I'll have to spend another 20 years forging out the other part to this. This, guys, is where we're up to about now. Got the reins drawn out. Now we've just got to clear up the boss area, draw out the tapers for the jaws, the working end of the tongs, and then onto drilling the hole, making the rivet. Obviously got to forge the other part of the tongue, but I'll do that off camera. I had to put wet towels on the anvil because it was getting too hot. Just gives you an idea of how much hot forging and how much work went into forging those reins. Okay, so after 40 years of roughly standing at the anvil and forging, we've got the two halves for the pickup tongs, which means make the rivet, center punch in the holes for the rivet, drill the holes, and finally rivet the parts together. Now that this is done, the rivet's in, put the tongs back in the fire, twist and tweak them and get them working, and then we've made them. There we have a monstrous pair of pickup tongs, which work and look and feel fantastically. But do they pick up stuff? That's important. We have some decent sized blocks of steel. Oh, wow. Ask me why I've made them so big. These tongs today because I have to pick this guy up. About 5 kilograms itself, but you want to see what I'm going to be making out of that huge block of steel. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.